Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Corner. Wishing you all Happy New Year of 2023. Today's recipe is chicken curry of karavali style. So without wasting time, let's get started. Take a pan on low flame. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, garam masalas like 3 cloves, 3 cardamom, 1 inch of cinnamon stick and few black peppercorns. Next I am going to add 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. Poppy seeds will make curry thick. You can also add cashew nuts to make curry thick. Slightly dry roast them. Once that's done, remove it from the pan and keep it aside. Next, in the same pan, I am going to add some oil, chopped ginger, one small garlic cloves, saute them. 6 to 7 Kashmiri red chilies, one small roughly chopped onion and half roughly chopped tomato. Fry them until onions are transparent and tomatoes are mushy. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and few coriander leaves, few mint leaves. Fry all the ingredients nicely. Once done, cool them into room temperature and then add it into a mixer jar. Now I am going to add little tamarind and add some water and make a fine paste. Now the curry masala is ready. Next let's marinate the chicken. For that I have taken 1 kilo of well cleaned and washed chicken. Add some salt, turmeric powder and ginger garlic paste. Mix well. And keep aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Now we will make coconut milk for the curry. For that I have grated half coconut. Add it to a mixer jar. Add some water and grind it. Next, take a bowl. I am using a cotton clean cloth. Add the coconut paste. Squeeze it. And you will get thick coconut milk. So we will transfer it to another bowl. Next, in the same bowl, again we will add some water to it. Squeeze it. And you will get thin coconut milk, and this is thick coconut milk and this is thin coconut milk. Next, take a kadai, add some oil. Once the oil is hot, here I have taken 3 medium size onions. Fry the onions till they are transparent. Now I'm going to add 1 green chilli. Next I'm going to add 2 medium-sized finely chopped tomatoes. Fry the tomatoes until they are mashy. Now this is ready. Now I'm going to add marinated chicken to it. Mix well. Add some coriander leaves. Cover and cook the chicken until it is soft. As you can see here, chicken is cooked well, 95% cooked. Now we need to add ground masala. Mix well. So now it is the time to add coconut milk. I am using first thick coconut milk. Now see the curry consistency and then add thin coconut milk. Now this is the perfect consistency for us. In this time we need to add salt for taste. Cover it and cook for 5 minutes. And finally garnish with some coriander leaves, and the chicken curry is ready. So it is going to be very tasty. Try at home and do let me know how it came. Comment me in the comment section. If you like this recipe, please give a like. Share with your friends and family. And subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.